Welcome to HUS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating Arduino-based automatic irrigation system and also monitoring the humidity and temperature. So for monitoring the humidity and temperature, we are using DHT development sensor. For automatic irrigation purpose, we interface the soil moisture sensor. So before running the program, we need to install the Proteus software and open this Proteus file. So we install we connected the DHT development sensor and LCD and a soil moisture sensor. So soil moisture sensor nothing but it will measure the conductivity of the soil. So these two probes are placed in the soil. So whenever the water presents, so then these two probes will be conducts. So then the voltage will be changes at the A0 pin. So based on this voltage changes, so we are going to on and off this particular motor, which is represented as a water motor. And coming to this DHT development sensor, we are interface the sensor to the 10th pin of Arduino, and green light and red light interface with the 12th and 13th pin, and LCD interface at 2 to 7. So these are the 4 data bits and register selection and enable, and remaining are connected to the ground. And coming to this DHT development sensor, so using this notch, we are going to changing the from temperature. This is the humidity and the temperature. So in order to change this temperature, just click on this. This greater than symbol will appear at the 28 for the temperature, and is increasing and decreasing. As well as when you click it again, it will connect it to the change it to the humidity mode, and you can change it. So in the program, we set the temperature as 45 degrees and humidity is going to be the 65%. So whenever the abnormal condition occurred from the sensor, this red light will on. In normal conditions, green light will be on. And coming to this, when you press the switch, the conductivity from this pin to this pin is going to be the 0, nothing but the water presence. And then the motor will be off. When it's open, there is no water and motor will be on. So load the X file. So here, and loading the X file, and just click on OK and run. So as usually, it will 2 times on and off, and a welcome message on this LCD. So now 28 degrees centigrade and 78 is a percentage of humidity. So now normal condition, so green light is on and 2 probes are open. There is no water presence and the motor is start rotating. So when I press this switch, so there is a water presence as usually, so the motor will be off. So slightly it will be coming to the 0, and whenever the water is not present, this switch will be open. Right, so it is coming to the off condition, and now I am opening this. So we need to pour the water, then this motor will be on, and this is soil moisture sensor and motor controlling. Coming to the humidity, so it is in humidity mode, so you can check that it's a temperature mode and humidity mode. So in the humidity mode, I am decreasing the temperature, humidity, the 65 below. So when it is coming to 65 below, automatically the particular red light, we maybe kept for 60, right? So we set that humidity for 60. So according to the irrigation humidity levels, we set that for 60. So when it is below 60 humidity, this red light will be on. When it is increases above 60, green light will be on. And coming to the temperature also, so I'm going to increase the temperature. So whenever we increase the temperature above 45 degrees, automatically the red light will be on, and below 45 degrees, green light will be on. Okay. So thank you for watching demo.